पास में ही आरआर हॉस्पिटल भी है जहाँ ये अनफॉर्चुनेट इंसिडेंट हुआ। 19 किलोमीटर दूर ले गए।
Yeah, it is very apparent whenever the accident takes place. It is a general phenomena. The person is taken at the highest speed to the nearest possible medical facilities or hospital, and they have not done it. They have intentionally gone about 20 kilometers in a very poorly structured nursing home because that lady lives somewhere close to the next hospital.
उनके किसी रिलेटिव का है वो, ऐसा कुछ पता लगा? क्योंकि कई वीडियो अंदर के हैं, बिना उस लेडी के ही उसकी रिपोर्ट, मेडिकल रिपोर्ट तैयार कर रहे थे वो लोग।
I'm sorry, I don't know about that. I don't have any knowledge about it. But that lady was admitted in the first floor of that nursing home as a case of high blood pressure, and the husband was on the ground floor itself where my son was lying, and I didn't talk to him. I never knew also.
अब आप अपनी बहू को दूसरे हॉस्पिटल लेकर गए हैं, वहाँ पे उनकी सर्जरी, मेडिकल एग्जामिन चल रहा है।
No, my daughter-in-law has been shifted to Venkateshwar Hospital, Dwarka, by a colleague of very intimate known person, Mr. Rishabh. He is a manager in that hospital, and he's our friend, family friend. So he has managed to bring the ambulance and get it shifted to. And today the operation is going on for her. Some surgical procedure is going on for about 4 hours. They are in that hospital.
अच्छा, ऐसा भी कुछ आप लोगों को पता लगा कि इंसिडेंट के बाद नवजोत को किसी कुरियर गाड़ी से शिफ्ट किया गया, 19 किलोमीटर दूर ले जाया गया, इस तरीके का भी कुछ आपके नॉलेज में है?
Somebody was showing some video, the person who was 3 row behind this accident case, he has just stopped, and people were making videos, not helping the family. The husband and wife were just lying near the bike and all. So some lady has told, इनको कहाँ लेके जाऊँ? वो कहते हैं इनको वहाँ ले जाओ. And that lady happens to be driving the BMW herself along with the husband. That was very intentional, taking a person that far off and that too near her home. The intention is very clear.
अगर लोग वीडियो ना बना के हेल्प करते तो नवजोत हमारे साथ होता इस समय बीच में।
Of course, things would have been different. Had he been admitted to RR hospital, which is about 4 kilometers from there, and we always help those cases. And this is one of the biggest army hospital in Asia, research and referral army hospital, Delhi, Kent. I used to get my treatment there, my wife's everywhere.
एम्स भी पास है, सफदरजंग भी पास है, इतनी दूर जाने से
Even Safdarjung is on the same road, ring road, there is no problem, and it takes about 10 minutes. And if you go Ramaro, Loya Hospital, that is also not that very far off. That,
आपको लगता है कि वो लोग मैनिपुलेट कर रहे हैं कि इसको कुछ चीज़ें छुपाने की कोशिश है उन लोगों की?
it's Sapanika that is very clear. No, nothing will happen. The Indian law is such, the person will get bail. It is a bailable offense. And that's all. What else? I have lost my only son, who was very brilliant, very outstanding, and very lovable. He has been to UN on 1st of May. He delivered the lecture on public sector financing. He gave some suggestions, and an Indian representative is being heard by these countries regarding suggestions for financing in developing countries should be simplified. Thank you.
प्रमोशन भी होना था, ट्रेनिंग।
He has recently undergone a training. Recently means last week itself. He has gone for work exposure, ground training at Meghalaya, Shillong for 4 days. And 6 days he had training in Delhi. And Friday was the last day of his training, and he has told us that he will come late because he's having a dinner with the friends. And he had his dinner, and during that dinner he was so active. He's taking a selfie, the smiling face, along with his colleagues, all deputy secretaries, whosoever was there. The one people should learn that they should not go in for video conferencing or something like that. When a person is dead, he should be given immediate help. There should be some constructive attitude to help the person to go to the nearest hospital for recovery or possibilities so that the damage done is reduced. That's all.
आप फैमिली से ही
Yeah.
क्या कहेंगे? नवजोत इतना होनहार, प्रमोशन अभी हुआ, ट्रेनिंग की, यूएन में रिप्रेजेंट किया 175 देशों के आगे, इंसिडेंट अचानक किस तरीके से?
मुझे भी रात को पता लगा, रात को 1:30 बजे मेरे को पता लगा। मेरे को वो ना सिस्टर इन लंदन से, तो उन्होंने बताया मेरे को ऐसे ऐसे बात हो गई। फिर हम सुबह आए, अभी हमें सारा पता लगा यहाँ पर ऐसे ऐसे बात हो गई है। कोई
वीडियो लोग ज़्यादा बनाते हैं, मदद नहीं।
वीडियो को ज़्यादा हेल्प नहीं करते, बिल्कुल हेल्प नहीं करते हैं। अगर नियरेस्ट किसी हॉस्पिटल में ले जाते, हो सकता है जो हमारे बीच में होते हैं, जैसे बेस हॉस्पिटल है, आर्मी के हॉस्पिटल है, लाम नंबर लोहिया हॉस्पिटल है, सारे हॉस्पिटल नज़दीक हैं और सबको पता है। देखो इतनी दूर ले जाने का कोई तुक बनता
लगता है कॉन्स्पिरेसी है, कुछ साजिश है, वो बचना चाह रही है।
हाँ, बस वही नहीं।
पुलिस से क्या आप लोग उम्मीद कर रहे हैं?
पुलिस जो करेगी अपना काम करना, पुलिस को क्या, वो अपने हिसाब से करेगी पुलिस काम।
तो ये फैमिली है, हालांकि बहुत इमोशनल है, क्योंकि एक अच्छा और टैलेंटेड बच्चा जो कि यूएन में रिप्रेजेंट किया 175 देशों के बीच में, उसको अपनी बात रखने का मौका मिला। हाल ही में प्रमोशन हुआ, ट्रेनिंग के लिए शिलोंग भी गया। इंसाफ की मांग जाहिर सी बात है परिवार करता नज़र आ रहा है। जतिन शर्मा, रिपब्लिक भारत, दिल्ली।